We are pleased to show you 2021 Gladiator. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, convertible soft top. Inside you'll find backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power steering, cloth seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.